In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Nordvpn on Windows. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth and straightforward process. Whether you're a seasoned tech expert or a beginner just dipping your toes into the world of VPNs, this guide is tailored to help you get up and running with Nordvpn in no time. First, let's get started by heading over to Nordvpn's official website. You'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Once you're online, type in the URL nordvpn.com/download. This link will take you directly to the download section of Nordvpn's website. Here, you'll find information about Nordvpn's features, benefits, and specific download options for various devices. But, since we're focused on Windows today, we'll specifically look for the Windows download section. Now that we're on the download page, our next step is to log into your Nordvpn account. If you look at the top right corner of the page, you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to register first. However, for today, we are assuming you already have one. Once you click Login, you'll be prompted to enter your account username and password. Simply fill in your details and submit, and you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Once you're logged in and on the account overview page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different sections. This area gives you a good overview of your current plan, any active subscriptions, and your account details. From here, scroll down until you find the section labeled Downloads. This is where you can access all the available software for your account. In the Downloads section, look for Nordvpn for Windows. This is crucial since our goal is to install it on a Windows device. Click on Nordvpn for Windows, and your browser will prompt you to download the installer. Make sure to save this file in a location on your computer where you can easily find it, such as your desktop or download folder. Once the download is complete, navigate to the saved file location and double-click on the installer to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation, ensuring that you read each step carefully. The installer will guide you through the necessary permissions and options, making it clear what you're installing. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully downloaded and installed Nordvpn on your Windows device. Remember to open the application after installation, log in with your credentials, and explore the settings to customize your VPN experience to best meet your needs. Thank you for following along, and enjoy your secure browsing with Nordvpn.